everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. We are back with another great opportunity. In this video, we are going to give you details about the Bilkent University Scholarships in Turkey. These are fully funded undergraduate and postgraduate scholarships, and the deadline is 2nd June 2021. Bilkent University Scholarships are given to students all across the world to pursue master's degree, Ph.D. degree, or bachelor's programs. The scholarships range from 20% to 100% scholarship. Bilkent University is a non-profit private university located in Ankara. It aims to create a center of excellence in higher education and research, and also one of the leading research universities in Turkey. It also offers the highest paid scholarship in Turkey. Bilkent University enrolls almost 12,500 students for master's and PhD degree scholarships. Turkey is one of the most desired study abroad destinations for all students from all around the world. This is an amazing opportunity, and you do not want to miss this opportunity and avail a chance to study free in Turkey. You can check out the fields offered at Bilkent University at the Opportunities Circle Bilkent University link. Undergraduate programs and graduate programs offered at Bilkent University. To check details about undergraduate programs, click here, and to view details about graduate programs, click on the link given under the graduate programs section. The eligibility criteria for these scholarships are: citizens of all countries, including Turkish citizens, can apply for the Bilkent University Scholarship. MSc graduates or BSc graduates require at least 2.8 out of 4 CGPA at the time of application. If you are a Turkish citizen residing in Turkey, the ALES score is required, and for other citizens, the GRE General Test score is required. However, if you are far from a small margin and have sustainable experience, we encourage you to apply. TOEFL, IELTS, or Bilkent COPE is also required. For more details, you can visit the official website of Bilkent University. To avail a scholarship at the Bilkent University, you have to apply for a program. To start your application process, just click on the link given in the description section marked as application link for Bilkent University, and then you will be redirected to the Opportunities Circle Bilkent University Scholarship homepage. From that page, you have to scroll down towards the undergraduate and graduate program section and select the program in which you want to apply. Click here to apply for the undergraduate program. Here you can see an overview of the academic programs offered at Bilkent University for undergraduate students. To apply, click on How to Apply. Here you can see all the application details. Start your online application, click on Online Application Form. If you are a new user, click on New Application and create an account. You have to add in your email address, a password, your first name and your last name, and then click on Apply. After creating an account, a confirmation message has been sent to your email address. Please follow the steps in the email and validate your password. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunities Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. Bilkent University application form for undergraduate degree programs. Please click on the link below to confirm your account and pay the application fee by your credit card. You will be able to reach the online application form after you complete the payment process with your credit card. Click on the link. To start your application, you have to pay $10, which is approximately 81.28 Turkish liras. To pay, you have to add in your cardholder's name, credit card number, expiry date, and a credit card security code. After adding this information, you have to click on Submit. You must submit the application fee before filling out the online application form. You may use your family member's credit card to make the payment online. Please note that the credit card should be a Visa or MasterCard, which is authorized for international and online purchases. Debit cards cannot be used to pay the application fee. The documents required to apply for the Bilkent University Scholarship is proof of a degree if you have already obtained a degree, the official transcripts, a statement of purpose, and 2 letters of recommendation. The benefits of the Bilkent University Scholarship: a tuition fee waiver, a laptop, private health insurance, travel support, and monthly stipend and housing support of 500 Turkish liras per month. The further application process after submitting your application fee is pretty simple. Just have to add in your personal information and your educational information, and then you have to submit your application. And then after submitting your application, you can check out the scholarship details in the application process section of this page. Just click on Apply Now to view the scholarship details. University Graduate Fellowship, a Bilkent UNEM Graduate Scholarship, scholarship for young women, These are the scholarship programs offered at Bilkent University. To be considered for a scholarship program, you must apply first. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. We will be back with more videos.